Yo, what up, yeah? Strong. Oh my god. Asia opened up dump. My side. Holy shite. Yesterday was a fucking dumper. Wanna make a. Yo, I low key think that gold, maybe. Gold shorts, maybe. If an opportunity presents itself to break this up tier. I don't know much about indices right now. Indices are just fucking just dying. We haven't had an up close candle on NQ or ES since yesterday. But I think that with how heavyweight we are, bro, we're probably gonna go to 29,241. I do see that already go. Scene. Yeah, silver's dumping. The only real thing that I could see is gold catching up to that low that silver already took out. Make up, never broke up. You know what's crazy? I was live on TikTok last night, and I had a fucking limit in at that 4-hour gap all the way up here. All the way up here from last night. And I woke up to this shit all the way down in the shitter. What I do think, though, bro, if you look at the daily time frame, the best scenario for indices, like best scenario, would be NQ, or would be the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones tagging this daily bearish fair value gap. Like this, and then going lower. Creating an SMT like this. And then an SMT like this, and then we continue down to this low. And that's if we don't just fucking die. That's if we don't just fucking die like we did yesterday. God, this move fucking lower was disgusting. Jesus. That would be the best bearish scenario for indices. That's what I like there on indices. Daily bearish gap tag on YM, and then a run down to this external low on NQ. SMT in 5 minute? I don't care about SMT in a 5 minute gap, bro. I want some sort of higher time frame reference. What is that? Thank you for the dono, bro. I don't know. Is that is that rupee or something? I don't know, whatever that is, but I thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, bro. But yeah, I really want to see shorts on gold. Maybe even get it from an hourly gap. sweet dream on a beautiful nightmare. A nightmare. Oh, I have no idea. On a beautiful nightmare. Yeah, we don't have any news tomorrow. Well, it's honestly no news all week. We only have FOMC meeting minutes, and FOMC meeting minutes is nothing. So basically, this is an entire week of no news. Is there anything significant on the economic, or not the economic calendar, earnings calls? Is there any earnings report this week that makes... There's really no earnings at all this week that means anything. Thank you, bro. In my phone. Guys, set your alerts on gold at 4401.3. This is a 1 hour bearish gap. Yeah, let's look for that. Where do you check earnings? You go to Earnings Whisperer on Twitter. This is the calendar for the week. Oh, I can't even paste it. But here. Right here. Check that link that I just sent. Caught up in it anyway. Indices are heavy as fuck, bro. Yo, how did you guys do today trading? Maddox, I ain't doing no more fucking winning numbers, bro. Hell no. And only doing a giveaway if this gets to 100 likes. Todd, I want you to answer me that question. You should be able to give me that answer if you think you see any possible setup for NQ longs. I don't know if it's an intrigue to you to catch falling knives, but it is not an interest to me. Brandon, this is the SIG, bro. This is the SIG. When if YM tags the daily bearish gap, we short NQ down to this low SMT break to 241. That's the SIG, bro. NQ shorts when YM tags that daily gap. Or or gold shorts. Gold shorts from the 4 hour bearish gap to break the SMT down at these lows with silver at 4365.5. I feel like the only valid or open draws on liquidity right now is gold to 4365.5 and NQ to 29241.25. But obviously, if this daily candle just fucking opens and just dumps to the fucking lows, then I'm not gonna have an open draw for the rest of the day. I don't know what happened right at Asia Open, but Asia Open just kind of just flatlined. But open, this is my draw for NQ. This is my draw for gold. And I like how gold's actually giving a retracement. Well, dude, when it's so obvious where price wants to go to, it's just gonna fucking run. It's gonna rip. It's not gonna stop for anything. You're hardly gonna see retracements. Fair, bro. ES gave a very clean 1 hour entry. What are you talking about? Today? I don't see anything on ES today, bro. The Valley. Oh, yeah, Monday it did. Yeah, for sure. Yo, Matt, how do you maintain trading my profitable strategy when seeing people catch high? I don't give a fuck. I don't care what anyone else does besides my own. But that's also you got to stop fucking running to social media the second that you finish your trading. That's the downfall of everybody's. That's pretty much the downfall of everyone's trading, honestly. The second that you finish trading, you immediately run to social media. You see people being like, "Oh, you're a donut if you didn't take this. Oh, if your fucking mentor didn't take this, blah blah blah." Shit. That'll immediately put you into the mindset of like, okay, I need to switch up and do something different. That is everyone's fucking downside. But also, social media and trading space is fucking destroyed. Like, it's literally social media and trading is absolutely the bane to the existence of all new traders. Focus on yourself. Don't focus on anyone else. Stop comparing yourself to others. Someone else's fucking trading journey. They're on their chapter fucking 20 and you're on your chapter 2. Stop making like those comparisons as to how they're doing compared to how you're doing. No, honestly, it was mainly to dodge you, bro, if I'm being honest with you. There's so many things wrong with the trading space that it just destroys the mind of so many beginner traders. And it just makes you think, it makes you doubt, like, it makes you doubt so much shit in your style. Brandon stays just being my sugar daddy, huh? Brandon, I just want you to know the money that you give me, it's just stacked funds when I'll be at the casino. When I wish you will be there. Well, I wish you were coming to Rufus next weekend. So fucking, bro. I wish you were fucking coming to that, dog. That's a real NGA, bro. I can spell it, but I can't say it. I mean, yo, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Don't beat yourself up too much, dude. I can attest to this too. I'm sure Brandon can say it too. Like, everyone at some point in their trading has compared themselves to other people online. And I have done that multiple times, and that was the reason why I fucking ran in circles nonstop. Because all I would do is if I lost a trade, I would go to Twitter, I would see who won that day, and if they won, what am I gonna do? Why did they win? How did they win? And I'm gonna make tweaks to my trading strategy that mimics to what they did. And next thing you know, I get fucking lost because I'm looking for 17 different things in order to take a trade. And that whole fucking shit stopped when I stopped focusing on other people and only myself. That's it. It's just straight fact. The day you stop giving a fuck what other people think and what other people do is the day you actually take a right step in the proper direction of your trading. Your biggest issue in your trading is literally the person that you stare at in the mirror. On God. Bum 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 bum. Don't hate on the phone. But I can't feel straight anymore. Oh, what's the name of the stone? Getting really close to that hourly gap on gold here. I want to see that. It's either we get the hourly gap or we get the new 4-hour candle open at 10 o'clock. Dance. Brandon, are you trading the 150s? Are they 350 per? Brandon, are you live with TPT? Get out of this song. Give me a new one. Bro, I need some new music. I'm like running through the same shit. I need some new sauce. I need some new sauce. I'm about to just start playing sets that people play at fucking festivals. I cursed them out one day for taking 3 weeks to give me a payout, so they paid me and banned me. Wow. Doesn't that get you copyright claim? Yeah, it does. I don't make any money from my live streams. All of my live streams are copyright, or none of my live streams are monetized. But you think that I'm gonna sit here in silence? You're fucking smoking crack. I could give less of a fuck. I used to live stream on Kick. But then I just switched right to YouTube. Somebody come here and she's dancing like a stripper. Like the stream. Yeah, it doesn't look like indices are going to be the value tonight. I think gold's going to be the only one. I like gold. I like Goldy Lock. Born in Vietnam. If we just get bored, we could just go on TikTok live and fade live streamers. It ain't me. It ain't me. It ain't me. I'm just scrolling through TikTok live just to see if I could find anybody right now that is... What the hell? Look at the risk to reward on this trade, bro. Look at this. Look at his entry and look at where it shows his entries at where it's not even close. Bro's rocking a fucking like a 0.25 RR trade. This motherfucker's ass. How is there 500 people watching this dumbass? Bro, Wayne, that ain't no 1-to-1, bro. That's a fucking 1 to 0.25. Bro, on God, I literally dirk my schmirk if I was sitting in this live stream. God, dude. These motherfuckers ass. I don't even read chat. I'm going back to TJR. Show me love Robbins extended. White boy whiz. We about to get a 9 p.m. reversal on NQ. I'm reading all your messages, bro. Don't go to TJR. Don't go to the dark side. That TikTok was Po Boy. Po Boy. I'm just looking at more and more people right now. It's so funny because every single person that I scroll by on TikTok Live, every single person's in some sort of position. Every single one. Literally everyone. In a trade. In a trade. Not in a trade, surprisingly. Every motherfucker is the same thing. Yeah, you can tell Po Boy that I said personally he's dog shit. Yeah, I know. All they do is, I think I've seen a video of him reacting to something. The best strategy in the world is liquidity sweep by FVG. The most discretionary nonsense I've ever heard in my life. Cocaine. Give us that Hourly bearish fair value gap. Gold, please. Yeah, no, literally, guys. These are these levels here at these gaps, either the high end 4-hour gap or the low end 4-hour gap, will be the short point where we get down to 4365.5. I think this is honestly the best move. This and that NQ idea. That's 4 hour. Yeah, this is the high end 4-hour gap. She gon' ride. She gon' ride. Okay. That's what we need. That is what we need, motherfuckers. My way. What else do we got? I'm going through my old SoundCloud. Ooh, this is good. Did I hit the gym today? Yes, I did. I go to the gym twice a day, minimum. The first time that I go, I'll go to the gym to lift. And then the second time that I go for cardio, hot tub, cold plunge, sauna, shower. And then I leave. Am I on semen retention? No. If I was on semen retention, I would be in jail. I'd probably be in jail. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, Cookie, we're watching gold. Gold from the hourly bearish gap or the 4-hour gap. I think shorts on gold to 4365.5. Bum, 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 bum. He asked me if I was on semen retention. And I said no. If I was on semen retention, I would be in jail. Yes, yes. Gold down to 4365.5. You trying to help him not be in retention? Bow, bow, bow. If you had to pick between an Indian or a Pakistani, which would you be? Fuck. Probably Pakistani. Chat's crazy when Blue Guardian's not involved. Yeah, you're right. I can say whatever the fuck I want here. No, it's over. Love lockdown. Mm-mm-mm. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ah, shit. That's still one of the funniest videos ever made. Bro, I made a video actually on Instagram. This looked so sick, bro. Look at this shit. Like, this beats going to the club or like getting bottle service or anything, bro. Look at this shit. They're on a CPI or an NFP data release and they're fucking like partying. Like the charts are in the background and it's just like confetti and shit, all of them at the club with their positions. Like everybody rocking their MT4 and MT5 screens. And when the price goes up on the big screen, confetti comes out. Dude, that looks sick. I would go to that. Bro, we should that would be a crazy fucking business model. Yo, Brandon, let's start that shit. A prime location for that would be Miami. Have you seen Insider Gaza Trader? Who's that? I don't know who that is. Can't wait for that to be my passing. That's basically TikTok live traders. All they do is just full port evals. It's probably in Asia. Do I invest in ETFs? Yes. Yes. VOO, SPLG, QQQ, SPY. Throw some semiconductors into the mix too. The framework behind Asia is really the same thing that I go into trading like New York. It's really no different. Um, I just simply wait for key levels to get traded into. The reason why I'm kind of focusing on gold primarily is because the daily candle from previous day, you guys see how we had this massive expansion day and we have an open draw on liquidity being this external range low here. So the only open draw on liquidity for gold and on top of that XAU euro would be this daily external low, this daily internal range liquidity pool. What did silver already do? Silver has already taken out that open draw on liquidity, but that open draw that I have on silver is here. It's this external low. But what did we do on silver? What are we doing on silver? Can someone answer me that question? What, like at this low, what is happening on silver? Someone in chat, give me an answer. Someone tell me in chat, what is silver doing at this low? Why am I still looking for price to go lower on gold? Someone tell me. Anyone? Fairly easy answer. What's going on? What is silver doing at this low? FTM. Failure to manipulate. We are not manipulating the low. We are trading through the low. We're closing below the low. We are showing a lack of willingness to reverse at that point. So if price is failing to manipulate that low, what am I going to expect on the correlated assets that are in the triad? I'm expecting the SMT to break at that corresponding low. So I want to see an open high, low close daily candle, open high into what? Open high into a key level being either primarily 4 hour bearish gap. Either we get that at 10 o'clock or we get the high end 4 hour gap. The high of the day is created in London or it's either created in Asia, whatever it wants to do. And then we want shorts to 4365.5. That's what we want. Once you see a asset in a triad taking out an extreme of a range like such, and we do not manipulate the low and we trade through the low, you want the correlated assets to catch up to break the SMT. And in order to catch that trade, you want price to be framing a trade from a key level being a 4-hour hourly gap. And then you wait for the swing point formation inside of that gap. Once you get that identified, Kraken correlation, entry function, short, boom. That's it. So right now we're trying to profile the daily candle as to where the high is going to be set in, what key levels are we focusing on, and boom. That's all you got to do. You just got to be patient to wait for it. Yo, this is the idea for indices though, bro. My idea on indices is this. A pump higher on YM to that daily bearish fair value gap. Create an SMT at the high from Tuesday. Create a bearish SMT on NQ here. Like this, wherever that SMT is formed. And then short down to this low to break the SMT with ES and YM. So if indices can give a pump too, maybe pump it. Well, there are actually no 4-hour gaps besides all the way up here. Maybe ES comes up to this 4-hour gap. Go bueno. I wouldn't really want ES. Four-hour? Yeah, maybe NQ can come up to here. Maybe. I guess. I don't know. Would make sense. But did everything that I say on indices or on metals make sense to you guys? Did all that make sense? Why we are on the bearish side for gold? If you want to understand advanced premium and discount, watch Afiz's YouTube his video on his YouTube video. Fucking hell, my brain just fucking went autistic for a second. Boom, boom. We got 2 more points until we get that hourly gap, baby. No, not every SMT is going to break, but a majority of all SMTs in the market are meaning to break. Papa's in. Way ahead of you, dog. You got it. Bro, Ryan, did you say what the fuck is a Zen?
This is not a test. This is
Where you been, gang?
broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government.
It's the key to profitability right there. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, Snut Shore. Yeah, Snuts. Yeah. Cal, here, I'll send it in the chat. You know what look at the title of this mix. The title is a pledge class and it's The Boys by a Million. Isn't this shit tough? This is like deep in my SoundCloud, bro. I'm gonna send it in the off topic channel in the Discord. I'm gonna tag you right now. It's on SoundCloud, not Spotify, unfortunately. I still didn't get no hourly gap tag. It's got relative equal highs right now. But yo, we got 17 minutes left in this hourly candle that prints. If we can get maybe like the 9 o'clock candle to create some sort of crack and correlation inside of that like gap, maybe like a 2-stage or whatever it might be, we can short that. Don't buy love. Don't buy. Because you want to see a swing print inside of that gap. We got like literally relative equal highs on it on minis right now. But also understand this though. See how silver is the weakest asset out of all three in the triad? I want to see some sort of strength switch between silver and gold in order for gold to catch up and short down to the lows. That'll validate my bias. Yo, get some likes into the chat, guys. Like the stream, subscribe, turn notifications on. I want to get 100 likes on the stream tonight so we can do some giveaways. Tumbling down in the city where we belong. Clouds all over the hill, bringing down my soul. Always feel like you can't say it all. When did this 30-minute candle close? 15 minutes ago. Optimist above it. It would be really, really cool if NQ went from internal or from external to internal and ran into this 4-hour gap above. That would be fucking gas. Sweep to take us lower. Likely happen after 9 p.m. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, guys, do your analysis on minis, bro. Do your analysis on minis. Not micros. I'm fresher than a motherfucker. Because I said so, that's why. Pussy goose, yeah. That math, that's enough math for you. My black red. Sweet as pumpkin pie. Look at me now. There's a 30-minute 2-stage at the lows with YM. Third. Yo, maybe 15-minute gap for the new hourly candle that comes in, and then we can long NQ. For the external to internal logic. $15-minute gap continuation. A 100 likes in the stream, guys. 100 likes, and we do giveaways. I'll come back to gold when it tags that hourly gap. TPD and a hidden sequential SMT. Yeah, it's the true sauce. Tiger Woods. This mix is so fire, bro. BM, I thought that he got banned on TikTok. If you guys want free signals, literally do exactly what Brandon just said and inverse that bull on TikTok. I think he got banned. Oh my, oh my. Oh my. I want to see a 15-minute gap prints on NQ. For the new hourly candle formation. Brandon, all I saw was a TikTok of him saying that he got banned. Go to work, make noise. But new hourly candle comes in the next 8 minutes. Could be juice. You're in long at 25,475. 29,475. wait, pause. You're in at 25 or 29? Clarify. Clarify, por favor. Go to work. Top. Bad and bougie. So what I'm waiting for, guys, is for a 15-minute gap to be formed in the next 7 minutes for the new hourly candle to come down into that gap, and then we can see if we can frame a trade out of that gap. New 9 p.m. candle hourly. We did the most. Pull up and ghost. Holding up out with no holster. Or you want to just buy the 15-minute CSD, you can. Stop with a bad bitch. What if you did this? Cover the bodies, because it is a 30-minute two-stage of the lows. That way. If you want to positionally buy, you could probably do that. I'm going to do it. Bad and bougie. I mean, realistically, Brandon, we could long if we close within the next 5 minutes and leave behind a gap. I mean, it doesn't hurt to throw on a position at this 15-minute. Because we could anticipate the hourly to come down, open up lower into the 15-minute gap. There's also a 30-minute PSP, two-stage of the lows. Doesn't look like a bad idea. Small things. And on top of that, risking it with the body lows, 85 points. At my show. Say it ain't so, I will not go. There's no imbalances either. Like literally none. No imbalances for bearish delivery. And then we could see if we get the 15-minute gap, we get the tag at the 15-minute gap, then we can add into it or scale in and refine our entry even more. Yeah, but if US 30, why am I saying US 30? If YM wants to resweep these lows here, what would that create? That would create bullish S&T at the lows here with 8 o'clock. Yep. Brandon, I like that. I like that. I like that idea. My stop loss covering the body too. As a positional. How it feels to be alone.
Orders filled.
All right. Tag there. So I took a positional entry on NQ from that 15-minute chain to the state. My stop loss though, since it's positional entry, it covers basically the low. It covers the low down here. That's just in case YM wants to sweep this low out, create another step of SMT, and then kind of go from there. So you guys could either one wait, or you can take a small entry now, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you're not full size on a positional entry right now. School used to bust it to the dance. Damn, bro, this mix is so old. It's really just throwing throwback songs. Dude, gold never tagged that fucking gap, bro. It left relative equal highs. Literally relative equal highs, bro. Fucking dumb. All right, new hourly candle. 30-minute kind of shitty, but it is a 30-minute. I do like the stop loss on the positional entry. The 30-minute candle just doesn't look good. But I am willing to risk this with the new hourly candle in. I mean, bro, it's 85 points, dude. If you're scared to risk a micro on a trade, or if you just don't trust the analysis, don't take it. Like, simply just don't take it and wait until something else pops up that looks better. Best scenario, though, would be if YM comes down here and runs out that low from 8 o'clock and then creates this sort of SMT here, while NQ holds this like that. That's what I'm honestly anticipating. I'm expecting YM to come down lower, run out this low, while NQ holds this SMT here. That's what I want. Wonderwall. Set alert on YM. What the fuck happened to... Dude, that is actually ridiculous. That is unfucking real, bro. I hate that. The fact that that motherfucker literally just left those lows is, or left those highs is so dumb. That is criminal. Like, what? I have no words. I have no words. Retarded. It's the only thing that I can fucking say. It tagged micros, then you guys just fucking take it if it tags micros, bro. I don't know what else to say. I do all my analysis on minis, bro. Always. Hold on. I'll be right back, guys. I'm filling my water bottle. Type 1 in the chat if you're long on NQ with me. What the fuck happened to gold? Ha! Fuck gold, bro. Fuck this piece of shit. Fuck that piece of shit. You better now. Fuck that piece of shit. Figure it out, figure it out. I still want the Dow to go down to that low and create that SMT at the 8 a.m. Or the 8, fuck, the 8 p.m. Oh. Way that won't change. I really want NQ to come up to that 4-hour gap above. That 4-hour gap has my eye. Reach you and I lose my mind. Lose blows my mind. Am I worried about a 6-hour fair value gap at 29,670? That's exactly where I have buy side liquidity marked off right here, Todd. 670. That's a break even point. That's exactly what I have marked off here. I'll mark. Well, I was gonna type it out, but I really want to see YM run that low here at 53362. Oh, well. Let me see. Turn it around. One to two is at 715, bro. But if you want to hold past that, you could hold it to the 4-hour internal up here. Motherfucker. Yeah, you guys play Clash of Clans? I just got back into my groove. You guys want to see my base? What do you guys think? I'm Town Hall 14. No, bro, I'm not cheating my way through the fucking game. Who do you think I am? Bro, I've been playing this game since I was like 12. 12 fucking years old, bro. I just started, but I stopped playing it when I was Town Hall 13. I still my walls are still very low. Oh God. Isn't it crazy though to upgrade something in this game? The upgrade takes 7 days to fucking finish. It takes 7 fucking days to finish an upgrade in this game. The fuck is that? I still have 1 day and 15 hours left for my air defense. Any advice to improve profitability and cleaner entries? Get more fucking chart time out there and journal all of your trades. And over time, you will get confident in your executions. Confidence leads to profitability. Make sure that you are reviewing every single day's price action. You're annotating price on every single day's price action. You're reviewing every single week's price action, month, quarter, yearly, all that sort of stuff. The only way to really improve profitability is just fucking chart time and review. Review, refine, repeat. FX Replay or TradeZella, one of the two platforms, either one of those. Backtest a fucking shitload of hours. But backtesting and live trading doesn't really correlate, but still, like, it'll get you accustomed to understanding like what you're looking for in the market more. We like the body. I think backtesting is a very, very great tool. I think that is very helpful. What do I think about gold? Fuck gold. The fact that one, it left behind that hourly fucking gap relative equal high, it ripped the low, and then now it's ripping back to the high. Fuck gold. Like, literally no. I will only care about gold if gold trades into the 4-hour gap. Honestly. If it trades into the 4-hour gap, or a new 4-hour gap at 10 o'clock. Then maybe. Maybe gold tomorrow. Or you guys want to watch gold during London. I feel like LA. When I up in the sky. Yo, you know who I want to see live in concert? Anybody seen a Kanye West concert live or Ye? Anybody seen Ye live? Yeah, Ye. Damn, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. I didn't know that I'm on like TV and your kids were hearing me. My fault. My fault. My fault. Good 15-minute candle closure there on NQ. My bad. Hopefully, to make up for it, price hits TP. What's up, Adam? Kanye West for president of the United States. Remember when that man was seriously debating on is going for running for presidency? I mean, the good thing is right now, gold's moving higher. That should allow indices to also move higher as well. Bum, 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 bum. Two pieces, how I need this. How do you turn on the caption? I have no idea, bro. There should be a button on YouTube. Should be a button. The only thing I know. There we go. YM running down to that low. That's good. YM's running to the low while NQ is still holding bullish price action. There it is. YM cleared the low. Well, about to. Left that motherfucker with relative equal lows. It's a two. It would make a two-stage SMT at the lows. La la, wait till I get my money right here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, yo, dad trades. That's exactly what I'm going for. I'm happy to hear that, Oogle. Bum, 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 bum. What else do I have here in the archive? Ooh, damn, bro. I have like old Uzi too. No matter how much EDM I listen to, I'll still love Uzi. Sliding less. When you lie to me, that is not English. I must admit that you was the best. See nobody, yeah, fuck the rest. No. Is Gert Gavin here? I don't know, bro. If Afiz was in here, Gert Gavin would pop in and they would scrap with each other. Did you fuck my girl? Pop, pop. Tell that girl I'll ride it, American, buy it, go yard, buy it. Am I in YM? No, this is NQ. Don't got buy it, be alone, tied it up. Oh, that was done. Girl, you need the back. Side it. Chick on side chick. Check my iPhone. That weird side chick. Him and all his cap tweets. Yeah, yo, he used to be my OG that I used to follow on Twitter all the time. That's all I used to only follow him, bro. If you thought I was lying, so back. Listen, try it. If it is a problem, ride it. Turn it to a riot. SLS, fuck the ain't nothing wrong with that. I am. But Dave's got a side chick. I'm about to get a sidekick. Stand up. America, buy it. Blow your buy it. Yo, we only got 54 likes in the stream, guys. Come on. Like the stream. Like the stream so we can continue doing these. Hey, you love that Uzi. Hey, you love that Uzi. Hey, you love that Uzi. You love that Uzi. Could run this one? How's this? Are you long on the week? I wouldn't say that I'm long on the week, bro. I'm pretty bearish on the week. I don't think that we go past. I don't think that we expand higher from the weekly gap if that's what you're asking. I have still a bearish draw on liquidity on NQ. My bearish draw is still these lows down here at 29, 241 and a quarter. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . It'll be you when I lose myself. Yeah. Yep. Damn it! I really wanted the Dow. I can't believe the Dow didn't run out that low. It left it relative equals. Yo, Wayne, you know what's crazy? I'm seeing Alesso on Saturday. I'll show you my ticket. I'm seeing Alesso in Brooklyn on Saturday. And he's back to back with Griffin. Oh, and yeah, I'm going to Rufus in Atlantic City. Are you going? Bro, if any of you guys are going to Rufus to Seoul in Atlantic City at the end of the month, I'll literally buy you drinks all night. A fees. What's up, motherfucker? It's just 1 to 2 risks to reward. Of course, BM Moggs donations all the time. He supports my gambling addiction. If only I. Dude, it's gonna be sick. Alesso back to back with Griffin, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, NQ longs, dude. I still expect the Dow. I just spit everywhere. I still expect the Dow to clean out those lows at 53, 362. Hmm. Is your love tonight? Yeah, that's exactly what I saw. Fuse. Bro, gold pissed me off the fact that it did that. Did that bullshit. I don't really care about it anymore, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm in NQ, so I don't really care about gold. Gold could be a good 4-hour setup, yes. Look at my hair. Nah, 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 nah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Pum, 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 pum. Bet. I mean, Vincent, new 4-hour candle opens up in 30 minutes. If it forms like this, we can get a continuation long. I don't know how the hell YM did not take out those lows. That's actually crazy. Bum, 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 bum. Whoever said full port YM now is definitely up good. Oh, ain't that the reason you let this stuff go? Five minute gap. Yeah, honestly, having your stop at this swing low is not bad. Honestly, it's probably a good point to we could probably just put our stop here. See you all over me and my head. Like putting a stop here. Not a bad play. It is an SMT at the low too, with ES. It all goes down. No ropes. Stops at that 15-minute low. So basically risk-free. Three P, you got disrespected. It's your ass. All right. Well, if they get disrespected, it's not a major cost. Yeah, bro. I can't believe that shit. That's crazy. You know, on that dance floor. Do you stay on the 15-minute 90? Yeah, I mean, I'm staying on the 15-minute. Yeah, YM could sweep it out now though. Oh, I do not want NQ to come down any lower, really. Do I think market makers see my streams? Yes. Shut the fuck up. The only thing that I don't really like about this trail, if I'm being honest with you, is the fact that the new 4-hour candle comes in 10 minutes. Or, sorry, in 30 minutes. Like, I don't really want this to retrace too much deeper here. It's literally the second that I trail, price just retraces crazy. No shit, I can't even say that word. Oh my god, you're gonna trap me, bro. Gold low key to that 4-hour gap. Yo, Kieran. Okay. Fuck. You can go break even if you want. I just had my stop at the SMT low. Afiz, did everybody understand the logic you said in your trading? In your fucking Tradeify stream? Or did they think that you were speaking Japanese? Don't be afraid. Same with gold, bro. I got the 4-hour gap marked off. Good, so that dumbass Amos doesn't need to share his screen anymore. W luck. What did I miss? I'm not gonna lie, I have like literally negative trust for this stop loss holding on NQ. I think that YM cleans out those lows at the new 4-hour candle open, and I think that it comes down lower again on NQ. Down. Go. Wait for the 4-hour. Wait for the new 4-hour candle open at 10. It would have to be like me, you guys sharing your screen on Discord, and then I share Discord on stream. That would be the only way that I could figure it out to do it. Gold's pumping to that 4-hour gap. Yes. And Q just need to close it up, close. I'm not shorting anything right now. I'm in longs. You short it. This song reminds you of Holland. This is one of my boys that used to DJ a bar that I go to. Chris Kemp. YM finally ran out the low. Bass keep chopping, the bass keep chopping, the bass keep chopping. God, and Q could fucking lick my balls, god damn it. Fuck you. Hope you put the kids away, bro, and they're not on TV right now. Brandon, that would actually be sick. That would be tough. Yeah, Afiz, I don't know why your name is XYJ Trades. Where did that even come from? Okay. You know you could pay for a tag, bro. Brandon, I got a guy that you could pay for a tag. I'm about to buy on Instagram. I'm literally about to go on buy the Instagram tag on it. Just sniper, like straight up SNIPR, SNIPER. Sorry, it's like 3K. I'll send you the guy's name. but I don't need you. Brandon, check your Instagram. DM him. All right, I'm brushing my teeth. It's gonna be bedtime soon. Motherfucker. Bum, 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 bum. Did I move my stop? Yeah, my stop's at fucking 5:30, dude. Bum, 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 bum. So many relative equal highs on NQ. Ooh, but you've only been one. Cause you've been what you say. South Florida. We need. Uh, um, Come on. If I'm being honest with you, bro, I don't even know what a fucking propulsion block is. I have no idea what that even is. I couldn't even tell you. An OB that forms an OB. Okay. What the fuck? I couldn't even tell you what that means. What do you mean? There's too many terms out there, dude. Well, with that knowledge, I will take it, put it in the brain, and probably still never use it again. 5 minute candle doesn't mean that don't look for precision swing points on a 5 minute time frame. No, it doesn't have any importance. It literally doesn't mean anything. Oh, for you here. Yeah, I want the 4 hour candle to close as an up close on NQ. I want it to close like right here. Right here or like anything higher than this 4 hour candle's opening price. It needs to close it needs to close above 566.25. Ba, ba, ba. 4 more minutes. I feel like I'm watching a ticking time bomb. Uh, no. My name's Jeff. Yep. That's what we're anticipating, Kenji. 1 hour PSP and then up. Yep. I want this new 4 hour candle to be a continuation based off of the previous 4 hour candle. I want to have a good 15-minute candle closure here too. A straight or Hermuz back is back. A straight is back. Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't be surprised either. This 4 hour candle has to close as an up close. Entries on the 1 minute time frame are good. As long as you know where protected highs and lows are at. If you're taking discretionary entries based off a 1 minute time frame, you're gonna get fucking railed. Especially if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, you should not even be considering looking at the 1 minute time frame. You will get bent. No joke. No dating. Yo, that's a fact actually, Brandon. They haven't hit me yet, but that's a fact. I've been seeing so many people on Amex getting hit with limits on their cards. All right. I'm happy with that 4-hour candle close. And what's been on my mind? I wish there was like a 30-minute gap that we had. Never broke up. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, guys. I'm setting and forgetting this position. It either hits 530 and a quarter or it hits my TP. I don't really. The 4-hour candle really has to show me a willingness to go higher from here. If it like really retraces anywhere deeper in this point, then it's gonna be nonsense. I mean, this 4-hour candle high is here. But we have only, what the fuck is this, 15 points of risk onto the table. Yeah, I don't really care what happens at this point. If it stops us, basically break even, it stops us. But I think it was a valid long that we took based off of the 15-minute change in stage delivery. Positional entry, we have a 2-stage SMT here with the 8 p.m. lows. 4-hour candle closed at a PSP. And we have a 2-stage 2 as well with this 4-hour candle as well with YM. It really should go higher. It's just a matter of if it holds this low. Like that. SMT already at the 4-hour candle lows. But I'm leaving this position, letting it do what it wants to do. I'm going to go to sleep. And we will be back again tomorrow for more live trading in Asia. So I'll probably run tomorrow and Thursday, depending on how price action looks. But be safe, y'all. Good luck with trading tomorrow. I'll see you, everybody, in the premium Discord in the stream tomorrow. And I will see the rest of you guys on YouTube tomorrow night. Deuces, y'all.